The third example of the digital teaching and learning technologies that have been applied in my subject area will focus on an interactive guide to an exam question and video that accompanies it. The aim of this resource was to provide learners with an accessible guide to each of the questions on the 2 GCSE English language exam papers. The aim was to create a guide that was interactive and that also catered for the lower pass grades, grades 4 to 5, as well as the higher grades, grades 6 to 9. The aim was to also give learners access to some of the important features of Exam Pro, a resource for teachers and examiners that provides detailed guidance on exam questions, mark schemes, and example answers. The resources give learners flexibility. They are able to access the revision guide and video on desktop and laptop devices, as well as mobile devices. The video and interactive guide can be controlled by the learner. They can learn at their own pace and in their own time. The interactive element of the study guide facilitates an active engagement with resources rather than simply viewing them passively. And finally, the completed guide was easily converted into a video and published on YouTube. In turn, both were easily embedded into the GCSE English Language Moodle site. The interactive study guide was created using Microsoft PowerPoint and, alongside the more traditional functions such as animations and image insertions, the recording facility enabled me to capture actions that I was doing on screen and provide audio commentary. For example, the example answers that I was talking the students through from Exam Pro. Further audio commentary was added using the record slideshow option. For example, we can look at it here and there's a range of options down here and here, and we can look at a slide here which has highlighted effects added to it also. Now, the interactive elements were added using the apps and quizzes option, which enables you to input multiple choice quiz questions and also true or false quiz questions. And we can take a look at one of those in action here. So when the student arrives on the slide, click on the answer, and these are designed as comprehension checking questions that cover the content that they've just gone through. Then I was able to take out all the interactive elements and then export the presentation to an MP4 format. This then enabled me to upload it to YouTube and make the video publicly available. Now, once it was on YouTube, this made it very easy to embed onto the GCSE English Language Moodle site. We can take a look at that here. Scroll down, we can see the embedded YouTube video there, and beneath it is the interactive study guide. So, with the first interactive guide for the question 2 of the paper 1 exam completed, further interactive guides and accompanying videos for the other exam questions are currently in development. These will go live at the beginning of the April-May half term as learners prepare for their exams in June 2018.